Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this easiest whipped body butter recipe with flaxseed and aloe vera gel. So to get started, I have my ingredient measured out. The first in my beaker is my cocoa butter. I have 34 grams of cocoa butter, and the next I'm adding is my shea butter. Shea butter is light on the skin, it doesn't clog pores, and that's why I'm using it in a large quantity in this recipe. So after adding my shea butter to my beaker, the next is to place it in a double boiler and allow the butters to melt. And for my shea butter, I had 113 grams of shea butter. Then after heating it up for a while on a low heat, thus my butters have melted. Now I'm adding the liquid oils, and the first I'm adding is my lemon oil. I have a video on that. I will drop the link below this video. You just click on the link to watch how I made the lemon oil. I use lemon zest in making that oil. Then the next I'm adding is my turmeric oil. I have the video uploaded in my channel, so you can just click the link as well to watch how I made the turmeric oil that doesn't stain. And the next is my rosemary and lavender oil. I made the oil, and with these oils I mentioned, you know that this body butter is not just the ordinary body butter. This is made specifically to help brighten the skin and smoothen the skin, and also to moisturize the skin. And so after I'm adding all my liquid oils, and I placed it in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes, and this is the consistency. Then the next I start whipping it up with my electric mixer. So after whipping, I whip for like 2 minutes, then I pause and start afresh. So for the oils I added, the lemon oil I use 38 grams of lemon oil. For my turmeric I use 20 grams of turmeric oil. And the next for my rosemary and lavender oil, what I use is 38 grams of rosemary and lavender oil. So all these oils are natural, and that's what gives it the color, the natural color it has. I didn't add extra color to this body butter. So at this point, I keep whipping it to get the consistency I want it. At this point, you'll notice that the consistency is changing and is becoming thicker and more fluffier. So here with my spatula, I had to bring everything together to scrape the body of the beaker to make sure I have everything going on together as I whip it. So I'm going to give it a little whip again, and before I start adding the other phase to this body butter. So at this point, I'm adding my flaxseed extract. This is homemade flaxseed extract. I'll drop the video below this. I'll drop the link to the video below this this body butter tutorial. You can click on the link below and watch this flaxseed extract, and this helps to smoothen and tone the skin. And if you're having eczema, rashes, psoriasis, this will help clear your skin and makes it look healthier and smoother, and also it moisturizes the skin as well. So when you look at this body butter, you notice that the consistency is really changing because of the additional ingredient I'm adding to it. And this body butter is to help moisturize and keep the skin healthy all day long. So the next I'm adding after the flaxseed extract is my Aloevera Gel. And at this point, this is also homemade aloe vera gel. I posted this video about 3 months ago. I'll still drop the link below this video so that you can watch that video and make your aloe vera gel. However, if you can't make it on your own, you can use the store-bought aloe vera gel. And for my aloe vera gel, I use 35 grams of aloe vera gel. And for the flaxseed, I added 25 grams of flaxseed extract. And at this point, the other ingredient I will be adding to this body butter. And as you watch this video, I'll be dropping the link, the measurement and the ingredient on the screen. So you just feel free to screenshot so you can make this body butter if you enjoy what you see and you love the video and the consistency you're seeing on the screen. So after mixing this body butter to this point, the next I added my vitamin E oil and essential oil. For my vitamin E, I added 2 grams of vitamin E oil to this body butter, and also I added preservative. It's just preservative in this aspect is optional because both the aloe vera gel had a preservative in it, and the flaxseed also has a glycerin that was preserving it. So it's optional, but I decided to do this because I'm not the only one that will be using this body butter. In case in the process someone maybe dip watering hand into the body butter, so it wouldn't affect the consistency of the body butter. So I added preservative as well to this. So guys, at this point, this is the consistency, and I love this so much. I love this it absorbs immediately on the skin. Once it comes in contact with the skin, it absorbs immediately, and I love the consistency. So at this point, just transfer into a sterilized container and your body butter is ready. And for those of you just seeing my channel, my name is Sylvia. I make DIY skincare and hair care products. If you have any question or concern after watching this video, don't forget to drop your comments below this video and I'll be there to answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share to family and friends who may be interested in this body butter, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. And thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.